How to create an online store on Wix. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can simplify the process of setting up and managing your online store. So to get started, you need to open manage.wix.com in your PC. Here, click on Edit Site. As you can see, our site is open for editing. Now click on Add Apps. Here you can find various apps like Wix Store or Online Store. Then click on Online Store. Here click on Add to Site. Now click on Agree and Add. As you can see, the online store is preparing to update. After that, click on Set up Store. From here, you can find various options. You can either create an account or connect to an existing one. Now I'm clicking on Connect Account. From here, you can connect an account in order to fill out the form. After that, go back and you will see many options for your online store. You can set up your store here. Scroll down to find different products and featured items. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.